All right, guys, good morning. Look, we got a vehicle up here again. All our snow melted off. We had some 50-degree days. There's still a little bit in the woods down here and on the road, but I did drive the old Jeep up here. I wasn't risky enough to drive one of our everyday daily drivers up here. So we left those down at camp just for safety purposes. I didn't want to, lose control of one of our daily drivers. And figured an old $800 Jeep, if it gets stuck in the woods, we could tolerate that. We could put up with that. So not that we want that, but anyway. So guys, with snow being gone, with that comes no water. Yeah, we got no snow to melt. So, but because the temperatures are going to be warmer this week, and supposedly for the next week or two, we're going to be in the 40s. I'm going to try to get the water system going again because we have no water. We have no snow to melt. Rather than run to the river or, get water elsewhere, I'm going to try to get our water system hooked back up. It shouldn't take long. It's not it's basically just flip a couple valves and then we could have running water again. Fingers crossed. If you guys haven't watched, we did a bunch of videos in the last couple weeks where we closed in the skirting on the cabin, and since we've done that, we haven't gotten all the metal done, but we did get the insulation done, so there's no airflow under there anymore. The cabin hasn't gone below 32 degrees since we did that, and if we had not had to go away for the holiday for Thanksgiving, we would probably still have the system going. But we've just been roughing it with the snow and doing that for the last couple weeks. But now that we have no snow, it's either go get water or try to use the water we have still in that tank. And I'll show you a little bit of that and see if we can get it running. So guys, we hooked up a small 60-watt light bulb in the area where our pump is. I plugged that in like an hour ago, and we're gonna go move that closer to the pump and see if that'll thaw anything out that needs to be thawed. It might not even be frozen because, like I said, it's been over 32 degrees in there. So let's open this area up and see what we're dealing with here. All right, guys, here's our little pump area that gets water from our IBC tote tank. Let's check it out, see if everything's frozen or not. We had just winterized this a couple weeks ago, like I said before Thanksgiving. We went downstate for a few days and I wasn't taking any risks with the cabin freezing up. Let's get under here and see what's going on. So here's our pump system set up similar to an RV. There's our tank over to the right there. We have the IBC tote switch or valve turned off. There's our winterizing valve with the blue right there. And then there's our RV pump, pressure regulated RV pump. And here's our filtration system. So I'm gonna take these two tanks off, or these two filter canisters, and we're gonna dump the antifreeze out of those because I'm sure they're full of antifreeze. So let's do that. Obviously the pump and everything's turned off because everything's winterized. I wonder if this is all antifreeze, I wonder if I could just reuse this instead of being wasteful. Yeah, that's full of antifreeze. So we're gonna dump this back into the canister and reuse it. Why not? Why be wasteful? And then that's less that I have to use next time. So I'll be right back. Probably be good if I had a funnel, but this will work. There we go. All right. I'm going to leave the filters out of these because we're not drinking any of this water. We're just going to use it for washing dishes and then put it in our Berkey and take showers if the heater will fire up. Hopefully the heater's okay. Everything else is okay. Let's check out the tank and see if the water tank's frozen. All right, guys, so I opened our valve. This is our valve to winterize and or drain some water out of. Ooh, there's a little water coming out of there already. That's good. All right, so let's pull this, open this valve and see if water comes out or if it's frozen. Ooh, I hear water. Oh my goodness. There we go. Closed off. Let's open this up. Sweet. And let's just double check. Yep. So there we go. That should pretty much do it. There's a little sediment filter right there. This is just the most popular Pentair SureFlow RV 12 volt pump. Pressure regulator. It has a pressure switch on the front. I've had to adjust it a few times. You'll see that little, that's an Allen wrench. There's a little Allen wrench adjusting spot. You can adjust it so it doesn't come on too much or stay on when everything's off. So let's go turn the power on and see what we got. All right, guys, so I don't know what to even think. As long as nothing comes gushing out. All the valves are on inside the cabin, so let me see what we want to do there. See if we turn those off first. You done?
Yes, sir.
Can you turn off all the faucets?
Turn them off?
Yeah, like they're all open right now. Can you close them? You just get done teaching the class?
Mm-hmm. Someone's got to work around here.
Someone's got to make some money.
Slacker.
Make sure the shower's turned off too. So water, nothing was frozen. Like the tank opened right up, so that's good.
Shower is up. Does that mean it's
Up is on. Perpendicular to the pipe is normally or always off as far as I know. And then the kitchen sink or the bathroom sink you close too. All right, keep an eye on things in here. I'm gonna go turn the power on, guys. I'll show you that in a minute, but Jen, you stay in here, Jen, with the camera.
Yeah. Huh? I was switching back and forth like you said you wanted me to. Okay. Yep. Yeah, it's on cold.
I'm gonna go check that water heater. See if it's okay.
Okay.
Leave that on for a few minutes.
Okay.
Hello?
I was just waiting for you to tell me you wanted me to do it. Okay. Mm-hmm. It's warm. There, it's clear. It still smells a little, but it's clear.
All right, guys, that went pretty well. We got all the antifreeze out of the lines. I'm probably going to pull these filter canisters off of here again just to dump them so there's no residual antifreeze stuck in there circulating. I don't think there is, but it doesn't hurt to check. It's the first time I've done this with this setup. So I'm gonna close up this area. We just insulated this and did this a couple of weeks ago, or probably a month ago now. But yeah, we have 275 gallon IBC tote in here full of water. And it's not frozen, so that's good. We can use this for another week or so, and then when we close down the cabin for Christmas, like we go downstate for a few days or a week for Christmas, then I will winterize everything permanently for the winter and drain all these tanks out, because a couple of my IBC totes still have water in them or ice. So I'm hoping during this little 40-degree warm spell I can at least pull the plugs on them and open them up so they don't end up like the hot tub did. We got a couple of propane tanks here, guys. Like I said, if you're new here, one's for the stove, one's for the water heater. Our water heater's down in here. So check out some of them videos if you want to see how this is set up. And yeah, this is our 275 gallon IBC tote. Holds all our water. Lots of videos for everybody if they want to catch up. But I'm gonna close that up so we don't lose all our heat. It's still below freezing right now, but it's gonna be pretty cold, or you know, get nice tomorrow. So we'll be fine for one more day. Let me button this up.
We got some Happy Mail, guys, from Paul for Christmas. We got dog toys for the pups. Nice copper bin I'm gonna use for kindling by the fire. And Jason got some chainsaw blades. Thank you, Paul, very much. We appreciate it a lot.
So guys, we got a little Happy Mail here. Our good friends Loretta and Jason sent us a homemade sign with our name and cabin. Pretty cool, huh? I love it. Thank you very much, guys. I'll put a link to their channel in the description box below. They're building a couple little bunkies. They have a couple cool remodeling videos that they've done for their little cabin. I think they have a shed to cabin conversion. So check them out, guys. They're a big supporter of our channel and show us a lot of love. And I'd like if you check them out too. And they got me some candy. I say me because I'm probably not going to share it with Jenny.
I'll hide it before he remembers we have it.
If I could get to it before Jenny hides it. She does that on me.
For your own good.
But thank you for all the cards and stuff too. Jenny's been smiling ear to ear for the last couple weeks. Jen and I just want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, and thank you for all the love you guys have shown us around here. So you guys,
Christmas cards.
You guys have been spoiling us with Christmas cards and a few little things here and there.
Thank you.
We appreciate you.
What's that? It's a squirrel. What you doing?
Christmas is coming. Start sending your letters off to Santa. Christmas is coming. Yeah. Better be nice if you want your present. Tell all your brothers, sisters, mama and papa too. Christmas is coming, yeah. Staying up late looking out the window. Yeah. Christmas is coming, yeah. Spotting riding some jingle bells. Tell all your brothers, sisters, mama, papa too. Christmas is coming, roasting some chestnuts